Today we are going to learn how to create a photo album. So to start with, you can start with a new presentation or a blank presentation. You can also use themes from here. See over here, there are so many themes. You can also use themes from here, or you can start with a blank presentation. So suppose I start with this. I click on blank presentation. Now to create a photo album, we need to click on this Insert tab. See, in the insert, when we click on this insert tab, a new ribbon opens in front of us. From here, when the new ribbon opens, see over here we have the photo album option. When I click on photo album, I get one option, that is new photo album. When I click on new photo album, see a dialog box opens. I need to select file or disk from where I want to insert pictures from. So I'll click on file or disk button. It gives me options to select the folder. So when I open this folder, I have few pictures in it. So I can select all the pictures from here and then click on insert. Here see, you can also insert a new a text box for that particular picture. So here you have picture layout. So see, there are one picture, two pictures, one picture with title. Then you have frame shape, you have rounded rectangle, you have simple frame. So you can select the frames for the particular picture. Okay, let's select this one. Then click on create. Once you click on create, a new photo album opens in front of you. See, the text box is here, then picture, then one more text box. See, all of these pictures have been inserted. Suppose I don't want this text box, so I can remove it by clicking on the delete key. Design, see, in the design option we have themes, so you can insert, you can that dialog box once again, and see, you can select two pictures. Click on update, so it will update the picture. See, you can remove this slide. You can still change the design if you want to. Any slide, any theme of your choice you can select. Okay, then you can add transitions. See, if I click on this, if I click on fade, And see how this is how it will come. If I click on this, it will come like this. If I click on this, it will come like this. Yeah, see, you can select sound from here if you want. You can select duration from here. So this is your let's add transition over here also. Isn't it beautiful? So you have so many different transitions. Then we have animations. You can select animations. In animation, you can select how a particular object will work. Put from here or here. Hmm. Okay. You can also add audio. So audio is here in the insert tab. See, you have audio from here. You can insert audio from my PC if you have an audio file. If you don't have an audio file, you can download an normal background music and add it over here. Okay, so this is how you work on a photo album. And then you have to click on this save button. You can also click on file and click on save as. Then put your name. Okay, I want to save on desktop, so I will select desktop photo album.